back. So we're now ready to move on to our contacts. So what does a contact need? Okay. Well, our contact is going to have a first name, last name. Those two are required. Um, well, no, the last name is not required. First name, last name, organization, email, phone, and address. Okay. The only thing that is required is, let's say, first name and phone number. Yeah. Um, required. Let's do phone number required to true. Okay. Phone number required to true. Um, let's let's uh let's create a couple contacts. Let's go to Mockaroo, my favorite um, nonsense generator. um, let's say first name. Actually, let's get. All right, so first name. Say first name. Last name. Last name. You know what? Since last name is not required, let's say 50% chance that this is returned blank. Let's see. Um, organization. Organization. Actually, let's do phone number. Phone. Okay. Got a phone number. Let's do email. Email. What else? Organization. Let's say company. Yeah, company name. So address here is going to be a little bit funky. So let's do the way we do so on Mockaroo. I don't know if you guys have ever used it, but the way you create an object on Mockaroo is you give it the object name and then the field property. So address, okay, and then period, street. All right. So street address. Apartment num. Let's say this one is going to be, let's say, street number. City. Let's call it city. State. So for the state, let's limit that to US only. Okay. Yeah, let's limit that to US only. Say country. Country restricted to just the United States. So this is only going to give us, it's only going to return United States, okay? Let's do country code. Nah, country, United States, and then postal. Let's see if it has postal. Yes, postal code. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what one looks like. Let's generate just one. Preview. Voila. Here we go. Okay. Last name we said we didn't really care. Wait, why do we have two last names here? Let's close. Okay, let's get rid of that one. Let's preview. Okay. We don't want an array. Yeah, yeah, we don't want an array. So let's just copy that. Okay, and let's go to our, oops, where are we? Contacts. Okay, so let's go to Thunder. Let's just say, let's create a new folder here. New folder. Let's call it contacts. New request, add contact. That's going to be a post. Base URL. Contacts. All right. And let's go to body. JSON. Let's post that. Let's see. Let's beautify that a little bit better, shall we? Make this look better. So street, apartment, city, Chicago, state is Illinois, country is United States. Yeah. Okay. So this is going to be our, for the most part, all right? This is what we're going to be sending, okay? Let's save that. Okay. Now that we've created our mock, let's stop right here, and then in the next one we will work on our contact controller, contact routes. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.